In this video, I will show you a step-by-step and easy way to draw different types of curly hair, which are tight curls, loose curls, and wavy hair, all in 5 minutes. Hello, I am NoriArtsy, and today we will learn how to draw different types of curly hair. Drawing one is not that difficult once you learn its form, which is what we will be discussing in this video. Just follow along the steps with me and pause the video if needed. Also, remember to subscribe and activate that notifications bell for more tutorials. Let's start. For the outlines, I will be using an HB pencil and keep my strokes as light as possible, as this is only for the outlines and I don't want them to be seen in the finished drawing. Let's start with tight curls. Start by drawing 2 vertical lines. The distance between these 2 vertical lines will determine the width of your curls. Connect the 2 vertical lines by drawing a curved line, more like a loose letter S. Now that we have our first curl, let's draw another one. Just add a little curve at the bottom for the tip of the hair. Now let's draw the back of the hair by connecting the edges. Still curving the line like a loose letter S. Let's use the kneaded eraser to erase the guidelines and pick up some of the graphite so our outline will not be too dark. We now have the outline of our tight curls. I will use a 2B pencil to start the shading. First, let's identify where the highlights will be. For this drawing, let's have our highlight at the middle. I am trying my best not to shade in the middle part that much, as that is where the highlights will be. Also, the back of the hair are usually darker. Now I will blend it using a makeup brush. I will build up the shading using a 4B pencil and blend it again with a makeup brush. You can continue building up the shades and adding value by using a softer pencil. Finish it off by adding some stray hair using the lightest pencil that we have, which is an HB pencil. Now that we have our tight curls, let's move on to loose curls. Again, we need to draw 2 lines, but this time it will be a little slanted inwards. Connect the 2 lines by drawing a curved line like what we did on the first drawing. However, this time we need to draw it a little lower and our curls will be a little longer than the first one. Now let's draw the back of the hair by connecting the edges. Still curving the line like a loose letter S. Now that we have the outline for our loose curls, let's start the shading. I will be using a 2B pencil and 4B pencil, and the highlights will be right at the middle as well. The last type of the curl that we have on our list is the wavy hair. Draw 2 slanted lines inwards that goes narrower as we go down. Now, instead of starting at the first line, we will start at the middle of the 2 lines, and the second curvy line will end right in the middle. For the second curl, since it will be thinner, we will start a little to the left part. Now let's draw the back of the hair by connecting the edges. Still curving the line like a loose letter S. Since this is a wavy hair, like a very loose curl, we will be able to see the back of the hair. Now that we have our outline, let's start the shading. The shading process will be the same as the 2 previous ones that we did. So there's our 3 types of curly hair. So tell me, which one is your favorite and which one did you struggle the most? I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys, and remember to practice these steps as much as you can. The more you practice, the easier it will be. If there's anything you want to learn or you want to see on my next tutorial, please leave a comment and tell me about it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you know someone who needs this video tutorial, feel free to share this with them. If you haven't seen any of my other videos yet, you can watch some pretty interesting time lapses and tutorials of my drawing process. Hope that it helps you in your drawing journey. I am NoriArtsy. I am posting tutorials every weekend, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!